FPS Minecraft is here. I'm playing some Half-Life Source. Uh-oh. These guys don't want to play. These guys don't want to play with me. Oh, I'm dead. Ooh, ooh. Yep, I'm dead. I just died. I'm an idiot. So, yep, let's try that again this time. Except kill these truckers. Yeah. Okay, that's not working out, so fudge them. Eat lead. Eat lead. Oh, they're dead. Oh. Oh, shit. Okay, this is not good. Oh, God. It's raining head crabs. Hallelujah, it's raining head crabs. Amen, it's raining head crabs. Hallelujah, it's raining head crabs. Holy shit, it's raining head crabs. Fucking head crabs. Fuck away. Don't daze me, bruh. Don't daze me. Oh, shit. Ah! Alright, let's try that one more time. Actually, let's not. Peace out.